Hello, Wizard and Witches. Welcome to your own virtual potions class. And welcome to Exploding Elixirs and Magic Mud, making some Harry Potter magic. So I am Miss Lexi. I'm going to be your potions master for today's activity. So the first reminder that I want to do is for you to download your own advanced potions making guide. This is going to be in the description box of this video and also on our website's calendar under today's program. So if you go under Exploding Elixirs, there will be a link to a Google Doc, and all you need to do is download this. This is going to have every single recipe that we create during these sessions, and it's also going to have a really useful magical ingredient cheat sheet where I have listed the magic name and the muggle name. So when I say you need things like flobberworm pus, you know exactly what I mean. So other than that, today we're going to be making magic mud, which is going to be really cool. And all you need for this activity is a mixing bowl, a measuring cup of some sort. I have a cup. You're going to need flobberworm pus, which is right here, dragon spit, and a leprechaun elixir of your choice. So if you notice in the ingredient sheet, I have the main increment that we're measuring is a part. And a part can be any increment. For the sake of this presentation, I'm going to use a cup. So you need 2 parts of flobberworm pus. So I already have one measured. We're going to put it into our own magic cauldron for today. So this is just the first cup. Okay, now we need the second part of it. Now, if you are planning on making a big batch, you could use a cup, you could use half a cup, you could use a quarter cup, whatever you need. That's why I put a part there. I don't know how many people you're planning on using this for. If you have more than 3 people in your group and you just want to make a big batch, make more. So I've used all of 1 bottle of our flobberworm pus, and we have our second flobberworm pus. Okay, this is 2 parts. Right on in. Okay, our next ingredient on the list is our 1 part dragon spit, which is right here. So we're just gonna do 1 part here and put it in. This would be a good time also to remind you that to put some sort of table covering down so you don't get anything dirty, or have paper towels or something handy, because you are going to use your hands to mix everything up this time around. So next is a leprechaun elixir of your choice. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pick a color. So I think today we're going to go with Hufflepuff Pride, and we're going to go with yellow. So you're going to put a few little sprinkles of that in there, and next you're going to do is mix it up. So you could use a spoon if you want to use a spoon. I don't have a spoon with me, so I'm going to use my hands to get the consistency of the slime. Now, another good thing to remind you is that if the mud for some reason is too slimy at the end, you might need to put in more pus, because the pus is going to make it all hold together. And as you can see, we're kind of already forming something here. You could also add in glitter, whatever you needed to get your own unique sort of slime. So we are a little slimy. There is a lot of liquid at the bottom. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a ton of liquid at the bottom and it's not completely solid yet. So I think our next thing that we're going to do is add a little bit more of the flobberworm pus to kind of get it to stay together. So we're going to use the one that I kind of used all of it in. And if you have put the lid back on like I have, all you have to do is open the squirter part. I didn't use the squirter part just because I thought it would go by a lot quicker if I didn't. However, that's not opening. So add some more flobberworm pus. Okay. And then we try to mix it up a little bit more and see if we can get a more unique consistency. If it's too sticky like it is now, you have to add in more of the dragon stick. You want it to be sticky, but not to the point where you get this. This is too sticky. So you want to add a little bit more. I just kind of eyeballed. So maybe this is, hopefully this is going to make it a little less sticky. So as you can see now, we have some slime. And this is how you make your magic mud. And hopefully you guys can enjoy it. So if you guys, after you mix it and you want to, so it doesn't dry out, I would recommend getting a Ziploc baggie. I happen to have a gallon-sized one right now. And I think the easiest way to do this is to put the bag on one end of your bowl and kind of flip it to ensure that the slime is going to go right into the bag and you're not going to get anything on your table. So I hope you guys enjoyed our quick little presentation today. Please, if you can, in the description box, or if this is on Facebook, if you want to put it in the comments, or if you really want to, if you want to send any pictures of you with your magic mud, what you did afterwards, to ys@trpld.org. We would really love to see what you've done with your magic mud. And once again, wizards, have a great day. I will see you next week when we create our burn and heal potion. All right, have a great day. And remember, you solemnly swear that you are up to no good.